Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use Sonofit ear drops safely and effectively. In this video, we will walk you through the process to ensure that you get the most out of this product. Let's get started. Before using Sonofit ear drops, it is important to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This step helps to reduce the risk of introducing any germs or bacteria into the ear canal. Next, tilt your head to the side to create a clear pathway for the ear drops. You can do this by gently pulling down on the earlobe and tilting your head in the opposite direction. With the head tilted, use the dropper provided with the Sonofit ear drops to carefully place the recommended number of drops into the affected ear. Be sure to follow the dosage instructions provided by your healthcare professional. After administering the ear drops, gently massage the area around the earlobe to help distribute the drops and facilitate their absorption. This step can also provide a soothing sensation. To ensure that the ear drops stay in the ear and have enough time to take effect, it is recommended to remain in the tilted position for a few minutes. This will allow the drops to properly reach the targeted area. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can safely and effectively use Sonofit ear drops. Remember, if you have any concerns or questions, it is always best to consult with your healthcare professional. Thank you for watching.